Hey guys, today we're doing a quick review and unboxing of the RisoPhy PC432 mechanical keyboard. So let's go ahead and unbox it, and then shortly after that we will be doing a sound test. So it comes in a nice kind of velvety bag here. It's a lot nicer than your typical keyboard that you get on Amazon. Now here is what it looks like. We'll remove the anti-collision foam right here. That is really stuck on there. And this is what we're looking at here. So pretty cool little look to it. Definitely the highlight of this board is just the kind of ambiance and look of it. It's not going to have the best sounds we've ever reviewed, and it's not going to have kind of the best feel and build quality we've ever reviewed at the price point that it's at, but the look of it is very cool, and a lot of people will like that. We do have a knob on the side over here. Also have a clock right here, which is very cool. That almost doesn't even look like a screen, but it is a screen. Let's see, we have Windows and Mac. We'll switch that over to Windows. USB-C, 2.4G dongle right there. In terms of flex, we have a little bit, but not too much. On the bottom here, we do not have any feet, so keep that in mind. Though this already is pretty elevated, like it already had the feet out. But let's go ahead and get into the sound test. That's going to be the biggest thing about this board. Is it looks very cool, but how does it sound? And we'll check it out. So I like this little wheel on the side, and I like that little screen a lot. All right, let's quickly discuss my thoughts on this board. The space bar, I don't know if you could hear, but on one side was sounding a little iffy, like something was going on, maybe needed to be lubed or something like that. Overall, the switches are linear, very light. I could definitely type very fast on this board, which is always a good thing. The kind of highlight of the board is definitely the layout and the color and the cool kind of switch on the side, the screen. That's all kind of benefits of this board. The sound is just okay. There is RGB on there, though it is pretty hard to see. It definitely is not popping out by any means at all, but there's some cool keys on here. So you got the coins from Mario on there, all that. So I will have a link to this keyboard down below, and also some other keyboards that I like, and I'll leave my keyboard playlist up here if you're looking for other Amazon keyboards. Thanks for watching, guys.